Alright, my phone here is in the Apple loop where it flashes the Apple logo. I found out that I got wet. Okay, so I found out that it's a short circuit in here. So what I do is I got a kit on Amazon that included these 3 screwdrivers and this professional opening tool with these 2 suction cups here. So you take this this one that's like a hex, like an Allen here, and you put it in here and you unscrew it, and it comes out with these pretty long screws. Alright, and then take this thing right here and you basically put it like this, and then you squeeze it and then it pops it open. Alright, after it pops it open, it looks like this. And for me, one of these pins right here underneath this thing had water in it. So what you do is you just unscrew these things here. Alright, and then you take and it pops out. Okay, and then these things here, they basically just come right off. You just pull them up. Okay, and then I pulled up, I just pulled the 3. One is for the speaker here, one is for the screen, and then one seems to be for the Face ID. I pulled all 3 of them off and then it started working. I just turned it on and it started booting. So it is just booted. And then I needed the screen though for the password, so I plugged in the screen here, which is this one. And then I backed it up. And then after I backed it up, that's all I needed. So just reverse order, just push these back in, just push down, and then tighten up the screws here. Okay, some of these screws are pretty small, so you need to use a tweezer here. Put them in there. Then right. And there's 2 last screws here for the speaker here. Alright, so I just tighten these two screws here, the speaker, and then I'm going to close it back up here, and alright, there's a little water seal here, watertight seal here so the water doesn't come in. I'll tell you what, it didn't quite work for me. Maybe it works for other people, but it didn't work for me. But push it till it's tight in there, and then put these two screws back in here. I use this red thing here. Okay. All right, so it's back on.